Hi, my name is Stephen Danaluti. I'm writing a new trend report ebook, and you can see the cover on the right. This is part of a SenseMaking series trying to explain elements out of the book. What's with the iceberg is as you can see, there's an iceberg on the cover of the book, and there is a point to it, and so that's what I want to describe. You can find out more at successteam.co. But on to the description. So here we have the untapped sea of opportunity that the subscription economy presents. In that sea, we have an iceberg. I like to call it the customer success iceberg. The submerged part is the customer success team side of things, and the floating part is the customer experience side of things. That's explained a little more when you look at this element, which is the customer success team could be seen as the one team in the organization most driven to creating and nurturing the right customer experience and creating the right impact for that. At the same time, they're learning from the customer experience, from the input they gain from the customer, and it's a kind of a virtuous circle of improved customer experience. This iceberg is made of several layers, and I'm going to go through all of them right now very briefly. You start with a product. I mean, especially in subscription economy companies, software as a service providers, for instance, there's often a product involved, a technology product, and it's what customer success teams don't build the product, but they work with the product and customers to ensure that the customer gets the most out of the product. But this product often has data integrations and with other products, with other web services. But what I'm referring to here more is the data around the interactions the product has, with rather the customers have with the product, and so how you build up a picture of how the product is being used. But data is nothing without insight, and so you have to have a layer where you're gleaning the right insights in terms of how the product is being used. And it's not just about product, it's also about how your organization provides services, etc. The point is you need to have this insight. From there, you need to have an approach. Once you've learned the right things, you need to be applying remediation or amplifying activities to build the customer experience. That leads to outcomes, which is what drives impact. And those outcomes need to be building value for the customer. You do all of that, and ultimately you should have a satisfied customer. And that's kind of the pinnacle almost of what a customer success team is trying to achieve. So I like to call this the everything as a service model. It's not my terminology. And this is the customer success iceberg within it. To find out more, please do visit successteam.co. Thank you very much.